guys, I am back with another DIY. It's time for me to reorganize my pantry, so in this video I'll be showing you how to create DIY labels using containers, a bowl of water, scissors, packing tape, and words typed up using Microsoft Word. I wanted to use a new pretty font, so I went to dafont.com and searched calligraphy. Here it is allowing me to type in a word so that I can see a preview for each of the fonts listed below. So I'm searching through the fonts until I find one that I like, and I found one. I am using the Nicole script. So I click the download button, and later on it will give me the option to install the font that I chose onto my computer. So now I'll be cutting each word out, and then I'll put the tape on top. I'm using an old card to rub into the tape really good so that the words can adhere to the tape. Now I'll drop the tape into the water and leave for about a minute. Once the tape is saturated, rub off the paper and you'll be left with just the words. Let the tape sit to dry, and once fully dry, you can stick it onto whatever you want. Here is my reorganized pantry. This is just one level and I'm working my way up until I am done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you tried this at home. I will see you guys next week. Bye.